In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact account. I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect and can finish with confidence. First, start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Open your preferred browser, go to the Constant Contact website, and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're prompted for a verification code, complete that step to get into your dashboard. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load so all your menu options appear. Next, head to your account settings or billing settings. You'll typically find this by clicking your profile icon or your account name near the top corner of the screen. Look for a section labeled Account, My Account, Billing, or something similar. Different layouts may show slightly different wording, but you're looking for the place where your subscription details live. Before making any changes, review your current plan or subscription. This page should show which plan you're on, your billing frequency, and your next renewal date. Take a moment to read any notes about charges or remaining time in your cycle. Understanding exactly what you're subscribed to helps you avoid surprises and confirms you're canceling the correct plan. When you're ready, choose the option to cancel, close your account, or deactivate your account, depending on what is available in your settings. Companies sometimes use different terms, but the action will be clearly associated with ending your subscription. You might see a prompt offering to switch plans or pause service. If your goal is to stop billing entirely, proceed with the cancellation choice. Follow the confirmation steps presented on screen. These may include a brief survey, a summary of what cancellation means, or a final confirmation button. Read each message carefully so you understand when the cancellation takes effect and whether access ends immediately or at the end of your current billing period. If there's any mention of data retention or loss of features, be sure you're comfortable with those terms before confirming. Complete the prompts until you see a confirmation message. Finally, save any confirmation message or email for your records. You can take a screenshot of the on-screen confirmation or use your browser's print to PDF option. Then check your email inbox, including your spam or junk folder, for a confirmation message from Constant Contact. Keep this record in a safe place in case you need it later. And that's it. By logging in, navigating to billing or account settings, reviewing your plan, confirming cancellation, and saving your proof, you've successfully closed out your Constant Contact subscription.